Welcome to the Morningstar Manager Checkup for ratings updates from our analyst team. We start with the BNY Mellon Long-Term Global Equity Fund that's managed by a team at the Walter Scott Boutique, which is part of the BNY Mellon stable. What particularly stands out for us is the long-term tenure of people at the firm, the benchmark unaware approach, and remarkably low stock turnover of 10 to 15%. The process seeks out companies with long-term growth prospects and solid balance sheets, which we see in the portfolio's financial metrics. It's large cap in nature, but with little commonality with the Global Growth Index. It's only through our qualitative assessment that you really get the sense of how the people, process, and culture come together. All this makes us believe investors are well served here, and we reaffirm our Silver Analyst rating. Next up is a fund that saw some change in the not too distant past, and that's Threadneedle American. It's now 3 years since Nadia Grant's been at the helm of the £2 billion portfolio, and she uses a combination of bottom-up stock selection with a trends and themes overlay. Valuations at the heart of the process, and in what we observe as a growth style, there's also a large cap bias. This sees technology as an overweight through holdings such as Apple, Amazon and Microsoft, while the cyclical recovery is played through the likes of JP Morgan and Southwest Airlines. During Grant's tenure, the funds outperformed the peer group, but it's behind the index in what's a tough area to outperform, and we maintain our analyst rating of neutral. Finally, the CF Miton Cautious Multi-Asset Fund, whose management duo of David Jane and Anthony Rayner have been at the helm since 2014. So a relatively short period of time, but we've seen the process in place on previous funds Jane's managed, and we like the capital preservation mindset here. The macro-driven approach invests across equities and bonds. Last year, there was a change in the portfolio's dominant theme of lower for longer and on to a reflationary view. What we've seen at work is their sensitivity to valuations. So cyclical stocks have been added, and in fixed income, the main move's been a shift away from long-dated government bonds towards shorter maturity overseas corporates. The fund's also been meeting its target of returning 4 to 6% on an annualised basis, with half the volatility of UK equities. We remain positive on this fund with our analyst rating of bronze.